Look out. Here we go. It's mail day. And we have some cards in the mail to be graded. Let's see what we got here. I knew this package was coming, but I don't know what's in it. So, Ken, I love the way you keep me in suspense. He lets me know that he's sending something, but I never know exactly what is going to be on the way. Looking forward to seeing your evaluations. All right, let's see. Oh my goodness. 76 Topps. Okay. Oh my. Whoa, look out. These cards look new. Oh my. George Brett, 76 Topps. Pete Rose. Oh, look at these cards. They are fantastic. Oh my. Ken, what have you done? I don't know if I want to do these or not. Man, this makes me nervous. This is amazing. I love the... Look at Joe. Wow. Look at Johnny Bench. Oh, my. Reggie. These are beautiful. Ken. Wow. Look at that. The new all-time home run king. Wow. This is cool. Rookie pitchers. 1978 Topps. 5 total. Dave Parker. George Brett. Rod Carew. There's some rookie pitchers. And Reggie. Oh, man. Ken, thank you so much for sending these. I am blown away. I cannot wait to get started on these. Thank you so much. All right. Wow. This is great. This is great.